we're in the design process of a project in which we will be remodeling 2 bathrooms. And we're at the pre-design phase of our design process, in which we investigate to find out the answers to questions on things that we don't want to leave until construction starts and we take down walls, and then we find out. We want to find out now before we actually start the design process. So I'm going to show you some examples of things that we've done. If you look right here, there's this kind of wall and kind of odd chase here, which indicates that there's some sort of pipes there. So we actually made a hole and found out what was there, and now we know, and we can game plan how to change that, because we want to gain that space back, because it'll actually make a big difference. Alright, so now we're in the other bathroom, same home, and we made a hole here, and the reason we did that is because we want to get rid of this soffit, and we want to find out what's behind there, because we could assume that this is just for the lights if they decided to do that, but we don't do that. And in making the hole, we actually saw that there is a vent waistline that comes through here and then up through the roof, which is right above us. And in finding that out, we can now know that when we can still remove this, but now we know exactly what we need to do to handle it. Alright, so here we are on the roof deck of the same home in the south end, directly above the first bathroom we looked at. And there's a bit of an oddity up here, which through our investigation process we were able to uncover, and that is there is no vent that comes out from this bathroom. We can see it, we do know it comes up from the basement because we checked the first floor to the second floor, but it does not come up here, and our assumption is that it is under the deck. This wouldn't probably come up until an inspection, in which an inspector came out and wanted to see where the vent was, and we wouldn't have an answer for him. So now we're able to know now and plan for it. And all these things allow us to, design with all the data, allows us to come up with a better design, and it allows us to have accurate schedule costs. That's why we're able to guarantee both of them. And it allows for a completely smoother construction process.